In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import anything into Zoho CRM. We'll walk through the process from the very beginning, so even if you're new to Zoho, you'll be able to follow along and confidently bring your data into the system. First, open your web browser and go to your Zoho CRM account. Make sure you're logged in with the correct user profile, ideally one that has the right permissions to manage data. If you're part of a team, it's a good idea to confirm with your administrator that you're allowed to perform imports, because restricted access can prevent some of these options from appearing. Once you're on the Zoho CRM homepage, look toward the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a small settings icon, typically represented by a gear. Click on that icon. This will open the main settings area, where Zoho groups together all of the tools for configuring your CRM. Inside the settings page, find the section labeled Data Administration. This is where Zoho keeps everything related to managing and maintaining your records, such as backups, export options, and of course, imports. Go ahead and click on Data Administration to open that area. Within Data Administration, you'll see an option called Import. Click on Import to start the process. This is the central place for bringing data into your CRM, whether it's contacts, accounts, leads, deals, or other modules that your organization uses. After you click Import, Zoho will guide you with on-screen prompts. These prompts usually follow a logical sequence. First, you select which module you want to import into, like leads or contacts. Then you choose the file you want to upload, often a CSV or Excel file. It's important that your file is clean and organized, with clear column headers, because you'll be mapping those columns to fields in Zoho. As you go through the prompts, Zoho will ask you to match each column from your file to a field in the CRM. Take your time here. Make sure that names, email addresses, phone numbers, and any custom fields are correctly aligned.